How to make zoom in effect in Canva. So if you want to make a zoom in effect in your Canva, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Canva and then go with the video section. Make sure that you have selected your video. After selecting your video, if you want to make a zoom in effect, then go and select the part where you would like to add a zoom in effect. I'll just simply go and select this one. Once you've selected, right click on it and then just simply go with split. Now once you've split, as you can see that you will have this as page 1 and then you have page 2. Now select the second part and here you need to go and adjust this, like zoom in a bit. If you're not being able to zoom in, then just simply go and detach the video from your background and then zoom in. Adjust however you like. I like more zoom in, like this much, and that's it. But if that doesn't work, then let me tell you that in other editing softwares, you will have keyframe options in order to adjust your zoom, right? But in Canva, we don't have keyframe options. But in order of keyframe, what we can do is just simply, so between these two videos, you will find an option of add transition. You need to click on the add transition button, and here you will have a lot of transitions. You can go and select any transition that you're comfortable with. You may find an option of match and move. You need to just click on it and then add that transition. Now play the video, and that's it. That's how you can make your zoom in effect in Canva. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.